Welcome to Ready Set Microfiber. This is my favorite part about speed cleaning. I get really excited when I talk about microfiber, but I get even more excited when I use it. You may be wondering why microfiber? Isn't the old traditional method just as good? And is microfiber any better than what we already know how to use? Microfiber is much better. It's safer and healthier for your family as well. Microfibers can accumulate and absorb more particles of dirt than any other fibers known. The technology and the way the fabric is woven is what makes microfiber unique. There are many amazing studies about microfiber, and you can find them on the internet. One of my favorite studies is about microfiber mops being used in hospitals, and you can find that study on the EPA's website. When you visit epa.gov, they have a search engine. Just type in microfiber mops in hospitals, and it'll take you to a link so you can read the study for yourself. If you've used microfiber in the past and you didn't like it, chances are that you didn't use it properly, you didn't launder it properly, or you didn't buy high-quality microfiber. To have a positive experience using microfiber, please follow these steps carefully. Launder microfiber together. Do not mix with other fabrics because the lint from cotton can stick to the microfiber and ruin the fabric. Do not use bleach or fabric softener. Hang them to dry for best results. I find that works much better. It's okay to put them in the dryer, but hanging dry gives the best results. Do not use chemical cleaners with microfiber. Chemicals will actually diminish the cloth's ability to hold dirt in the microfibers. One of the best things about using microfiber is that you can clean with just plain water and get fantastic results. So kids can clean with plain water and microfiber, and you can know that they're safe. Hands down, microfiber will save you time and you will love it. I love the products from the Rag Company, theragcompany.com. They have a fantastic microfiber mop that you can use for wet or dry mopping. It's safe for the kids, and remember, they can clean the floor with plain water. Read the research on the internet because it will show you that even cleaning with plain water can pick up more bacteria and germs than using conventional mops with chemicals. The Rag Company's mops are superior quality, and they tell you exactly which cloths are perfect for which type of cleaning you're going to do. Try a starter kit, you'll be happy you did. In all the demonstrations on this DVD, all of the microfiber cloths and mops and high dusters that I'm using are from the Rag Company. I hope you feel confident in your ability to establish a cleaning routine with your family. It won't happen overnight, but if you start with one thing at a time, you will have success. You can use this DVD over and over for training purposes. And don't forget to visit my website to download the charts I referred to.